Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm planning to start one of the series, and this is going to be the palette series. Do you guys like palette? I really like it because these are like very handy and they make you feel very travel light, and plus they come up with a lot many options, so you don't have to worry about carrying a lot of things along with you when you are traveling somewhere, or probably when you are creating some of the makeup looks for yourself. You can, if you have a good palette, you can actually create the entire look with the help of one single palette. So I really like palettes, but the problem with palettes is you hardly find a one kind of palette which has lot many stuff, but all of them are like of very good quality. So what I'm trying to help here is to identify some of the palettes which are like really tested by me, and I swear by them, and you can take a use of these palettes if you are planning to have want to have some sort of makeup in your makeup collection. So that's why I thought maybe I should start one of the series where I'll be talking about only the palettes, be it a face palette, the eyeshadow ones, the lip palette, anything that I come across and I feel they are like really good and worth every single penny. I would be sharing those palette details with you. So today I'll be sharing one of the palette which consists the eyeshadows, the blusher, the contour powder, and your highlighter, like that. Okay, so this is kind of the face palette including the the eyeshadows also. So the product which I'll be talking about is by the Makeup Revolution. If you know the Makeup Revolution, this is actually one of the brand which has most of the dupes of all the high brands. So, and the quality wise they are actually very good, and the price wise is like they are even below the 50% off what you actually spend on the high-end products. So I really like the Makeup Revolution products, and I own a lot of products from them. And the today's product which I'll be talking about is actually one of the palette by Makeup Revolution. So let me just give you the first picture of it. So this is my palette, and the palette is called Go I Love palette. Okay, so what it says is actually it contains eyeshadows, blusher, and the highlighter. Okay, so when you want to take a look of the product, actually I have already broken this one, so this part is already out. Never mind. So if you want to have a closer picture of what exactly is available in this palette, is this one. And if you guys are aware of Tarte Cosmetic, it may remind you one of the palettes which is available in Tarte. So but the placement of the products is it might be different, but the kind of the look and feel it is giving is actually the one which is available in Tarte. So what you see in the middle, the round one, is actually the highlighter. This is the bronzer for your contouring, and it might not be suitable for the contouring purpose, but you can actually make a use of it by using it as a blusher or little of the bronzing part. If you want to add some of the warmth to your face, you can use this one. That is the blusher. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 of the eyeshadows are available in this one. One is the matte which you can use for your brow bones. Okay, so let me just quickly swatch it for you and tell you how exactly they feel when I swatch it. The highlighter thing is actually I'm wearing on my cheeks right now, and let me tell you, it is super duper pigmented. I was not very much careful when I was applying it, so it was like, ooh, I was shining here and there. But then I had to use my fingers and the brush and etc, and I just blended it out with my blusher. So it is actually very pigmented. You can use it to highlight your brow bone as well, to the cheeks and some part of your nose if you want to, if your nose is not very pointy and you want to make it a little pointy and highlight it, and like that you can use it for your nose also. And you can use on your cupid where you can and make your lips look even more plumpy and Kylie Jenner kind of, you know, if you want the bigger lips, you can actually use the highlighter on your Cupid, lip Cupid, okay? So let me show you the product. I'm first swatching the highlighter, and when I swatch it, the product itself is very smooth. And if you can look at the product, can you see how pigmented it is? Okay, and let me swatch it. I'm swatching little extra so that you can guys see it properly in the camera. So that is the highlighter. It is very pigmented and it is a very beautiful champagne kind of color. So what you have to do is you have to control your hand when you are using this highlighter, and it is very soft and easily blendable, so you can actually work with this one. Okay, let's move on to the blusher. I really like this blusher. It is very soft and the color is very baby pink kind of color. And again, it is quite pigmented, so you can go a little light-handed when you are applying it and easily build it up as per your makeup preferences. You can probably just give a hint of the color, or you can just build it up if you want some good pink color on your cheeks. So that is the blusher, and it feels very smooth when you apply it using finger or the brush. The third is the contouring, but actually this color is definitely not, you know, suitable for the contouring, because this is very light for the people for the medium to the darker skin tones. So that is the color. So you can actually use it as a blusher or just a hint of bronzer to give a warmth to your face. So that's how I use it. And probably you can use it as an eyeshadow, you know, you want something on all over your lid, so you can use it for that one as well to create a base for your eyeshadow. So I hope you guys can see it. I'm trying to improvise the lighting behind me. That is the reason you can see a little, you know, shifting at my background. I thought that this lighting is a little bit proper when I'm trying to show you the swatches. So guys, just let me know if you feel the lighting is still not proper. I'll try to figure out something else. By the way, if you see a lot of cartoon and childish thing at my back, this is my baby's room I'm using for shooting my videos. I really like this room because it is very lively, and it is full of light also when I want to shoot in the daytime. So that is the place where I shoot my videos. So I actually own one of the corner in this room. So that is the bronzer. Okay, now let's move on to the eyeshadows. I'm swatching first the most you know, dark color in the whole palette. So we are going like this. Okay, so that is the first color, and it feels again very smooth, and you can look at it how pigmented it is. It is like a deep plum color with a hint of, you know, a little black, not completely black, and it is actually shimmer. So guys, it is very pigmented, as you can see. So it is the perfect color for creating your smoky eyes. So you are sorted for the smoky eyes with this palette, right? Let me show you the second color, which is actually a so that is the second color, you can see. Okay, so this is like a taupey color you can use again to create the smoky eyes, or probably to give some of the definition to your eyes. You can use this color, and that is how it is. It is again very pigmented, and if you want even more pigmentation, what you can do is you can use them as a wet one. You can, you know, spray some of the fixing spray on your brush, and then you can probably dab the brush on the eyeshadows and use it on your lids, so that way you can get even more pigment out of the eyeshadows. The third color is actually a very beautiful or golden color. So that is the third color I'm swatching right now. Guys, can you see? This is such a beautiful color to create a party look or something for the night time, or probably you can just create a little, you can add a little of this color on your lids after completing your entire makeup, entire eye makeup. So when you close your eyes, or it will give a little glimpse of the glitter on your eyes. I really like this color. It is very, very, very it's very pretty orangish, goldenish. It's not golden also, if you can see. It is a little peachy kind of glitter one, but so that is the third color. Let me show you the fourth. I'm running out of the finger. Wait a second, let me just... Oof. Sorry for that. I was trying to find out the wipe to clean up my hand. Okay, let's move on to the fourth color, and that is the fourth color I want to talk now, and it is a pink champagne color, but a little dark one. So let me show you. It is a very beautiful pinky champagne color. So where should I swatch it? Okay, I'm swatching it here. So the horizontal one is the fourth color from this palette. I hope it is visible. Yes, I guess it is. Let me add a little bit more of this color. Yes. So that is the fourth color, okay? And it is very good to be used on all over on your lids. And the fifth color is a lighter one to the... So let me swatch the fifth color, which is actually the lighter shade of what I just now swatched. So guys, that is the top color. Do not get confused with this one. That was the highlighter. The topmost is the color which I swatched just now. It is again a champagne pink color, but a very lighter one, okay? But it has a lot of sheen into this. I hope you can see the kind of sheen it has, the kind of glitter it has, and it is very perfect to create the the eye makeup for the evening time. It is very, very beautiful, and the best part is all the colors are very pigmented, so you don't have to go back again and again and apply a lot of color again and again. That's not the case with these colors. So that is the reason I really like this palette. And the last color from this palette is actually the matte one, to be used as your to highlight your brow bone. And it is little powdery, obviously, because this is the matte color, so that is the reason it feels little powdery, little chalky, but nothing like that that creates some fallout or something. Nothing like that. So if you can see this white color, that is a beautiful matte color to be used as your brow bone, or you want it to be used on the... No, you cannot use it for the inner corner of your eyes. You can actually use it only for the brow bone, that's all. Or you want to include this kind of color to your makeup look, that totally depends on you, what kind of look you are trying to create. So accordingly you can use this color as well. So guys, that was all the 6 eyeshadow colors in this palette. I swatched it like this, okay, in this order. Right to left, and the middle one is a highlighter. The pink one you can see is a blusher, and this is the bronzer. I really like this palette because it contains most of the products that you would use on your face, except the bronzer. Rest of the things are really beautiful. Bronzer will suit to the very very fair skin people for the contouring purpose, if you're looking for. But if you want it to use it just like a blusher, you can definitely use this one. In that way, it is a beautiful color. So guys, that was the palette Go I Love palette by Makeup Revolution. And the plus point is these palettes are not very expensive. Most of the products from Makeup Revolution, the palette ones are actually fall under 1500 max to max. But the kind of products you get inside the palette, lot of variety you get inside the palettes is actually worth the money. So if you are spending 1500 rupees, you're actually getting three of the different things which you will be buying separately, like your blusher, bronzer, highlighter like this, and 6 eyeshadows. So I really like this one and I think it worth the money. And quality wise, obviously, like I've already said, I really like the quality. It does not feel like some crappy palettes which you buy and it feels very chalky. The pigmentation is like zero, absolutely nothing, simply the wastage of money and the time. But Makeup Revolution products are definitely not like that. I really like Makeup Revolution palettes and the products as well. So yeah guys, that was the first part of my palette series. I hope you like this idea, and I'll be keep coming back with lot of palettes that I come across and I really like the ones, and I will share it with you guys, because palette is something I really like. The concept of palette I really like. It contains a lot of products and make your life so sorted. So guys, if you like my idea and if you like the video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also I really want to thank you all for the overwhelming response on my channel. You guys have been really sweet and appreciating my efforts. So guys, I really want to thank you all for all the appreciation and the motivation you have been giving to me. It helps in shooting more and more video with lots of excitement. Okay, so on that note, I shall take a leave, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Till then, bye bye.